Okay, number 7. Okay, we have negative 2 plus 3x balancing with 10. Okay, it looks a little different from the others because the rectangles aren't at the very left-hand side, but it's no big deal. Okay, we still want to get the rectangles alone. So think about what you could add to both sides to get the 3 rectangles completely alone. Okay, you should be adding 2 yellows to 2 reds, because remember, a yellow and a red cancel. So if I add 2 yellows to the left, it will eventually knock those reds off. But if I add two yellows to the left, I need to add 2 yellows to the right. Okay, go ahead and record that step, and then clean up the left-hand side and type in for row 2 what you have. Okay, so you should be typing in add 2 to the left, add 2 to the right. Okay, you should be taking out the 2 yellows and the 2 reds on the left because they cancel out. And that's all you can take out. So you are left with, for row 2, you are left with 3 x's balancing with 12. So type in 3x equals 12. Remember the last step? Okay, you want to split both sides up so that you can figure out what an x equals. Okay, go ahead and start splitting both sides up. Okay, you have 3 x's, and you want to split the yellow squares up evenly among your 3 x's. Okay, so record that step, and then type in for row 4 what each x equals. Okay, you should be typing in that you're dividing the left by 3, you're dividing the right by 3, and then you're going to be left with each x equaling 4. So x equals 4. Okay, go ahead now, put 4 into the original equation and for x, and make sure that the left side equals the right side. Okay, you should be putting 4 in for the parentheses, where the parentheses is. We have negative 2 plus 3 times 4. You have to multiply first, right? So on the left side, we have the negative 2 plus 3 times 4, which is 12. So we have negative 2 plus 12. Okay, when you add a negative 2 and a 12 together, you get 10. Okay, so we get 10 is equal to 10. So that tells us that x equals 4 is the correct solution.